Hello everyone. In last session we discussed about formation of continuous frequency distribution. Today we'll solve the problems on continuous frequency distribution. Before solving the problem, we'll see how to convert inclusive classes into exclusive classes using correction factor. We know this correction factor is specially used to convert in inclusive classes to exclusive class. So we'll see the conversion using one example. Here you are given with the class intervals of inclusive type, that is 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 and 50 to 59. So these classes should be converted to exclusive class using correction factor. You know the formula of correction factor. Correction factor is equal to lower limit of second class minus upper limit of first class divided by 2. Here the lower limit of the second class is 20 and the upper limit of first class is 19. So I have subtracted 19 from 20. So 20 minus 19 is 1 divided by 2, 0.5. I got correction factor as 0.5. Now to convert these classes into exclusive class, we should subtract this correction factor from all the lower limits that are given. See here I have written, we should subtract correction factor from all the lower limits. So lower limits are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. From all these lower limits the correction factor should be subtracted, and to all the upper limits, that is 19, 29, 39, 49, 59. From all these upper limits the correction factor should be added. So I got 10 minus 0.5. 0.5 is correction factor. As this is a lower limit, correction factor should be subtracted. 10.5. 10 minus 0.5 is 9.5. 19 plus 0.5 is 19.5. 20 minus 0.5 is 19.5. 29 plus 0.5 is 29.5. Like this, similarly you have to continue the procedure with all the class intervals. You will get exclusive classes. So you can see the continuity here. See here, 9.5 to 19.5 first class. Second class is 19.5 to 29.5. Here in inclusive there is no continuity between the classes, right? But in this you can see the continuity. Converted class olaga nimage continuity ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಹೌದಾ? Like this you have to convert the inclusive classes into exclusive classes using correction factor. Now we'll see the examples of formation of continuous frequency distribution. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ exclusive classes-ಗೂ example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, inclusive class-ಗೂ example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. We'll see that one by one. First we'll see the example on exclusive type. Exclusive type example solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next we'll see the examples on inclusive. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೇನು ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ IQ of 30 children of school. The data goes like this. You are given with the data also. You are given with ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, 30 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ IQ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು you know what is continuous frequency distribution, which includes class intervals. ಯಾವುದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, continuous frequency distribution ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So IQ is a continuous variable because it can be expressed in a fractions also. IQ ನ ನಾವೇನು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್, first you should search for the lowest value and the highest value in the given data. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದೈತಿ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. So in this given data, the lowest value is 65 and the highest value is what? 139. So I have to take the class intervals starting from 65 to, it should include 139 also. So na ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, I'll take the class intervals from 60 to 70, and what I do, I'll take a width of 10. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೂಲ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಇರಬೇಕಂತಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ 5, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ more. So what I do, I'll take a width of 10 here. See here, width ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? upper limit minus lower limit. 70 minus 60 is 10. So I have taken a width of 10 here. The next class will be 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140. See here, our highest value is 139. So in this class, last class, 130 to 140 includes 139. So this is enough. And the lowest value is 65. So the first class 60 to 70 class includes 65, right? 60 to 70 new numbers bardadra 65 ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, that is why I have started it from 60. Okay, now count the values in between 60 to 70. 60 to 70 ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ observations ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, let us search for the values. Okay, only one value you got. Put one tally bar and write 1 in the column of frequency. Now we'll search for 70 to 80, the number of observations in between 70 to 80. There is no values, put a dash. Next 80 to 90. No, you don't have any values in between 80 to 90, put a dash. Next 90 to 100. Search for, see here, as this is a exclusive classes, 90 to 100 means you should include starting from 92 till 99. This 100 will be added in the next class intervals. You know, that is rule of exclusive class, right? The upper limit of the class should be included in the next class. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 90 to 99 ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ 100 ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, just search for starting from 92 till 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So put 6 tally bars, set of 5, 6. So write 6 here. Next 100 to 110. 100 to 110 means 100 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 109 ವರೆಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so put 12 tally bars. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 12 here. Next 110 to 120 means 110 in the start agi till 119. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here. Next 122, 130. That means starting from 120 to 129 till 129. 1, 2, enough. Over. Only 2 values. Put 2 tally bars and 2 in the column of frequency. Next 132, 140. I think there is only one value, that is 139. Put 1 tally bar and 1. Now add these frequencies. That should be equal to 30 because you have collected the IQ of 30 students. So if your frequency total is 30, then your sum is right. That is the verification. You should do the total. One plus 6, 7. 7 plus 12, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. 29 plus 1, 30. Okay. This is example for exclusive type. I hope you understood. Okay. Next, we'll solve the example on inclusive type. This is your exercise problem. Here you are given with a problem. From the following data of the hourly wages in rupees of a workers employed in a certain factory, construct a frequency table with the classes 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and so on. Here they have given you class intervals. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ highest value. Highest value in this is, I think it is 115, right? Now they have given a starting point 40 to 49 in the start ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಚಿಲ್ 115 ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನೀಗ 115 ಕವರ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 40 to 49. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅವರ್ಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ದು ಅವರ್ಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ from which we have to start. So we'll start like that, 40 to 49. This is inclusive type. 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, 100 to 109, 110 to 119, because our highest value is 115. But this 110 to 119 includes 115, right? When you write the numbers from 110 to 119, it includes 115, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. Like this, it includes 115 also, right? Now, same procedure. Count the numbers between 40 to 49. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 40, 49 ಇದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗನ ಎರಡು ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. Now we'll count the numbers between 40 to 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, I have included 49 also because the class interval is still 49. So there are 5 values. Now similarly with 50 to 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 8 tally bars. Now 60 to 69. Count the values in between 60, 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'Count another time 60 to 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 values. Put 10 tally bars. Next 70 to 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 values. Put 20 tally bars. Write 20 here. Now 80 to 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in only 8 values. Put 8 tally bars. Write 8 here. Next 90 to 99. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 values. Put 4 tally bars. Write 4 here. Next 100 to 109. 100 to 109. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now 110 to 190. There is only one value here. Put 1 tally bar and write 1 in front of in the column of frequency. Now count the frequencies. It should be equal to how much? There are 60 workers here. There are 60 observations. So the total should be equal to 60. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 20, 43. 43 plus 8, 51. 51 plus 4, 55. 55 plus 4, 59, 59 plus 1, 60. So, there are 60 workers and 60 observations. So, our sum is right. I hope you understood this inclusive type and exclusive type. In next section, we'll see another one example of this kind and we'll move on to bivariate frequency distribution. Okay. In the case of two variables, in this class we have solved the problems only on single variable. If the two variables are given, then how to construct a frequency distribution table. So we'll discuss about that in the next class, and also we'll see the another example of this type. Then we'll move on to bivariate frequency distribution. Okay, thank you.